A tragic and deeply unsettling event has shaken a small community in the U.S. state of Colorado. Authorities have filed charges against an 11-year-old boy, accusing him of the murder of his 5-year-old brother, an incident that has left family members and the public in shock. The horrific details underscore the complex and heartbreaking nature of juvenile crime, raising difficult questions about responsibility and the justice system. The incident reportedly occurred in early March in the southwest region of Aurora, Colorado. The 5-year-old victim, identified as Elias, was allegedly killed by his older brother while he was asleep. Specifics surrounding how Elias died have not been released by authorities, nor have any details regarding a potential motive been made public. What is known is that this young life was cut short under circumstances that few could ever fathom. The news has sent ripples of grief through the family and community. Elias's suspected great aunt has established a fundraising campaign on the GoFundMe platform to assist with funeral expenses. In her emotional appeal, she described Elias as a very open-minded child who had a deep love for the outdoors and nature. She expressed her profound disbelief and sorrow, stating that she could never have imagined that his own brother would commit such an act. The family is now navigating an unimaginable path of mourning and legal complexities, trying to come to terms with the loss of one child and the serious charges faced by another. The decision to charge an 11-year-old with murder is highly unusual in the United States. Jeff Weeden, an attorney specializing in juvenile criminal law, commented on the case to the New York Post, stating that he had never heard of a comparable instance. He emphasized that 11 is far too young for a crime of this magnitude. If convicted, the 11-year-old could face a sentence of up to 7 years in juvenile detention. This case also highlights a key difference in legal systems. Unlike countries such as Germany, many U.S. states do not have a defined minimum age for criminal responsibility. Consequently, children are sometimes sentenced to lengthy prison terms. While the age of criminal responsibility in many states typically ranges between 10 and 13 years, this limit often does not apply to severe offenses like murder, allowing for such young individuals to face serious legal consequences. As the investigation continues, this case presents a somber reflection on the vulnerability of children and the profound impact of violence within families. The community and legal system grapple with the gravity of the situation, seeking answers while the family endures an immense personal tragedy. The questions surrounding the motive, the exact circumstances, and the future of both children involved remain deeply troubling, leaving a lasting mark on all touched by this heartbreaking event. What's your take on Colorado tragedy, 11-year-old charged with brother's murder? Share your view in the comments. Do you think this will matter in the next news cycle? This video was generated using artificial intelligence.